Okay. Lights. Pakitas, pakitas. More, more, more. Okay. Happy birthday, Pastor Ronnie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Here's your snow cake. Happy birthday, Pastor. Um, sabi there are so many pastors made in heaven, but pero para ako, my opinion and in my heart, you're one of the best dahil you are my pastor, and I'm really grateful that I was ministered by you. I was discipled by you, and and until now, those memories, Pastor, na mag-serve ko kayong Ginoo kay Abeka, especially yung atyo kong Emmanuel, until now, lagi kong babalikanan nito. And thank God na kinamit na ka, baka lalo kong mag-shape na ako for who I am right now. And happy birthday, in spite of the distance from Philippines to Canada. And thank you kayong thank you kayong technology na asin kayong kakong greetings in behalf of my family, Joey and Joshua, and to our um, incoming baby girl. We would like to greet you happy birthday and more power and God bless you and then always remain in Christ. Always remember, Pastor, whatever the situation, ano man kaning situation, God is always ahead of us, and whatever the situation, all is well. All is well. Thank you and happy birthday. And I miss Emmanuel Christian Reformed Church, and especially I miss you all guys. Bye, and I love you.